Hi everyone, today I'm going to try my luck at the shopaholic tag. So let's get started. The first question is, would you consider yourself a shopaholic? No, I would not consider myself a shopaholic because firstly I do not just binge buy because I cannot just go on buying and buying without putting my mind in it, and I use whatever I buy, so I won't consider myself a shopaholic. How do you classify your style? Effortless and ethnic. That's I guess my style, yes. What store can you not leave without buying at least one thing? Among the ethnic stores, I would say I cannot leave W and Biba without buying anything, at least a kurta or a stole or a dupatta. Uh, Among the Western wear, I guess Forever 21. Whenever I go to that store, shoes, bags, accessories, tops, whatever, something I'll have to buy. It's a store I try and not enter these days. Where do you find the best deals? Online, I feel I find the best deals at Myntra and Koos. And otherwise, of course, you get the best deals at street stores or street shops. What designer are you willing to splurge on? Let's say Louis Vuitton. I want a Louis Vuitton bag for a very long time, and maybe Chanel. Yeah, these two designers. Do you have a go-to shopping outfit? Oh yes, I wear my jeans, I wear a longer kurta, maybe a scarf and flats. And I also carry a very big bag with me which I fold and keep in my handbag. Because of course, if I'm going shopping, I'll come back with some stuff. What is your guilty pleasure aside from makeup? Jewelry. I wear a lot of artificial jewelry. That's my guilty pleasure. Especially earrings. What is one staple clothing piece you cannot live without? I cannot live without my jeans and my camisoles, maybe because camisoles you can dress them up and down and you can wear them with ethnic as well as Western outfits. So yes, that. What is a trend you hope never goes out of style? I love the palazzos. I love the effortlessness that they have. You can even wear them, let's say, on a casual outing. You can wear them in office on a casual day. And they're extremely comfortable and they look very classy, styled very well. Hope that never goes out of style. What trend did you love that passed way too quickly? Well, I loved wearing ear cuffs, but these days I do not see many girls wearing ear cuffs. So I guess that is a style that passed too quickly. I have 2 or 3 of my ear cuffs which I have not tried my luck at. Uh, who is your fashion icon? My fashion icon is, if we look at the classics, I would say Audrey Hepburn, because she had like, she was so elegant, she was elegance personified. And coming to the recent times, I would say my fashion icon would be maybe Kangana Ranaut, because she's very experimental and yet she's very understated mostly, which is the style that I like. So this is my shopaholic tag. Do let me know how you like the video and please do like, comment and subscribe. Until next time, bye bye.